Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back again to my channel. Today we have something very special for you. It's the Honor V Purse, a concept phone that can be worn like a purse. Yes, you hear that right. This is a foldable phone that has a strap and a wrap-around display that can show different wallpapers to match your style. It's like a phone and a fashion accessory in one. But this phone is good? Let's find it out. But before that guys, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. The Honor V Purse is not yet available for purchase, but we get a chance to see it in action at IFA 2023, where Honor unveiled it alongside with the Magic V2, its latest foldable phone that will launch globally next year. The V Purse is a demonstration of what's possible for folding devices, and Honor says it wants to open up an API for developers and designers to create custom wallpapers for it. The device has an outward folding screen, which means you can see it at all times. It also means that the screen is exposed to scratches and damage, so you have to be careful with it. The screen is an always-on display, which means it can show different animations and designs even when the phone is locked. And Honor has worked with different top talent globally to design the always-on display style for the Honor V Purse. The wallpapers are interactive and responsive. For example, there is one that looks like a furry cat that you can pet with your finger, and another one that has bracelet with charms that can launch different apps. You can also change the wallpapers to match your outfit or mood. The device comes with a range of interchangeable straps and chains that clips on the foldable and allow you to carry it like a purse or handbag. You can choose from different materials and colors such as vegan leather or metal. The device is very thin, measuring just 9mm thick when folded. It also has a hinge that can withstand 400,000 folds. However, Honor has not revealed much about hardware specifications of the V Purse, such as processor, battery, camera, or memory. We don't know how well it performs as a phone or how long it lasts on a single charge. We also don't know how much it will cost or when it will be released globally. So, what do you think of the Honor V Purse? Well, I think it's an interesting concept that shows how foldable phones can be more than just phones. They can be fashion statements and expression of personality. However, we also think that the V Purse is not very practical or durable as a phone. It's more like a novelty item that you would use occasionally rather than daily usage. It's also like to be very expensive and limited in availability. Alright guys, that's all for today's first impression of the Honor V Purse concept phone. What do you think of it? Would you buy one if it ever comes out? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.